Hey guys, it's Carrie Lynn here for SheSave.com. A super quick look here at our hotel room at the Hampton Inn Suites right by the Salt Lake City Airport. Just in case you ever find yourself here, we flew in late at night just to stay and catch a flight early in the morning. So as you can see, we are on the ground floor. Really simple, typical Hampton Inn room. Great little place to stay if you need to get up early and catch a flight, or if you get in really late and just want a place to sleep. Really great stop and stay. There's a lot of hotels in this area right by the Salt Lake City Airport, but this is just one. We love Hilton's, so I thought I would give you a peek at this. Sadly, I hate to say the front desk help, that was unimpressive, and I don't think I've ever said that in a Hilton video before. That was a bummer, but the rooms are clean, nice place to stay, decent price point, as you can see. All the things we expect out of Hilton. And again, we just love these quick little airport hotel stays as a way to stay rested so you can wake up and carry on with your travels without any stress. So all details down below. This is Carrie Lynn for SheSave.com.